guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, for today's video, it's going to be super exciting because I'm going to share with you what all I got from the denim drop from Coach Outlet. And I have a couple of items from Kate Spade to share with you. So, if you want to see what all I got, stick around. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is show you my bag of the day. I've been using this bag for a couple of days. I love it, you guys, and this is it's a pretty big part of my rotation. I do use this bag a good bit. I love the fact that it has this to grab and go here, this chain. It's a big bag and you can see that it's stuffed. Let me show you what's in here. So whenever I carry a bag, and whenever I have Drew with me, I've got to carry a bag that's big enough to carry all his things as well as mine. So we have little cars, his little sunglasses, a waffle, things like that. So this has been my bag of the day, and I'm probably going to change out tomorrow because I'm going to a bridal shower tomorrow, so I'll probably wear something small. All right, let's sit it back here for some eye candy. I think my camera's up a bit, so you may not can see it that well. Okay, and before we get to my Coach reveal, I also want to share with you guys something that I have for sale. This is Burrito by Hermes. This is the 3.3 ounce bottle. On the website, it is $182. So I'm selling this for $135. And I've only used it a couple of times. My husband cannot stand this perfume. I like it, but he just gags and carries on. And I'm just not going to wear it because usually when I wear perfume like this, you know, it's a special date night or something like that, and he's just not a fan. So I thought, I'm just going to go ahead and sell it. I think I've worn it maybe 2 or 3 times max. I'm going to drop the price down to $140, and that's a really good savings. So that's like $42 off, and I've only used it a couple of times, 2 or 3 times max. So if you're interested in this, let me know. I can send it to you, and I accept Venmo and PayPal only, friends and family. So this is for sale, a brand new, almost brand new bottle of Hermes Burrito. So I'm excited because when I heard that this drop was going to be dropping, I was really hoping for a large Rowan in the denim, okay? But I didn't get that because the only thing they had was the mini. So I went ahead and got it. Now, she's a little cutie. It's not exactly what I was hoping for, and I think I'm going to go back and get one of those little mini cherry charms that you put on the bracelets and just hook it right here. How cute would that be? But I love the light denim, and I love the vachetta leather on this. So, so cute. And you guys, I have the brown mini Rowan, and now I have this one. And unless something comes along and knocks my socks off, I probably won't get any more mini Rowans because they are tiny, but it's really good to have a bag like this for certain occasions. You know, going to a ball game or something where you don't want to be cumbersome and have a big bag. And I'll show you what it looks like on me, and I'm just an average size. So this silhouette, I've got on my little overalls from painting today. So this type of bag holds a lot of stuff, especially for how small it is. This silhouette is great. I mean, it's like a magic bag, a Mary Poppins bag. You can just keep putting things in it. I feel like I'm pretty good when it comes to the mini Rowans. Now, if they come out with a really cute pink one, I might have to go there. Okay, so I am looking forward to that pink drop that's coming out, I believe February, is it 28th? Anyway, you guys, I'll be ready. I have this one, and I have the brown leather. Well, it's the maple color mini Rowan, and I feel like I'm set on mini Rowans because this kind of bag is something that is not great for an everyday bag because it doesn't carry all the stuff that I need, but it's a great bag for girls' night out, maybe a date night, and just like go into the theater or go to the movies or something like that. But I think I'm good on the mini Rowan, and I just think it's so cute. So I got this one, and I didn't get any more handbags. I really didn't see any handbags that I wanted. I wanted the Hadley backpack, but it was immediately sold out, I think, because I haven't been able to come across it anywhere, and I was going to grab that and this little Rowan. Oh, but I also got this. So I got the matching card case, and I can also use this with my tabby, my denim tabby. You guys, just last year I was saying I'm not a denim girl, and now look at me. What is happening? But I really do love these pieces, and I think what I really love about it is the vachetta. I think it really brings it out, and I just had to have this with it. And it's one of these that you put your license or your ID on this side, and you put your cards on this side. So I will use this as a wallet, and I've got plenty of room for my phone. And like I said, this type of bag, a Speedy, a Rowan, a Boston bag, doctor's bag, whatever you want to call it. All right, so the next item I got was this. I got the large wristlet because sometimes I do just want to carry a wristlet, and I got this one. I started to get the little corner zip. I thought I'm going to get this because I like stuff like this for the beach. And here's my phone, iPhone 15 Pro Max. See, right in there. If I want to use my little card holder, it fits too, but there's also a place right here to put your cards, which is probably what I would do, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in there, and maybe a lippy, and that's about it. So if I'm out, you know, running around at the beach or wherever, I like to use little bags like this, or maybe just going out to dinner or to lunch or something like that. But I'm so glad I got this. So I ordered a second one. My daughter uses wristlets a lot, so I went ahead and ordered her one. It has not come in yet, but I ordered her one just like this. And then I thought, well, while I'm ordering this and paying shipping, I might as well get some little something else. So I did get the little zippy, the smaller corner zip in red. I thought that was really cute, and I can use it with these pieces as well. And that's the only thing I got in the red. I might go back and get that hat. But you guys, my ball cap and hats collection is really growing. When I get my other hat rack hung up, I'll show you all my hats. But that is all I got from the drop. I'm really happy with these pieces, and I feel like I'll use them a lot, especially in the summertime. All right, before we move along to the Kate Spade items, you guys, look. Okay, this charm is a charm that Dee Dee Bean sent me, and I think she made it. Dee Dee, did you make this charm? Because it happens to have cherries on it. It has little calipers on it. It has a palette, and it has paint, little tubes of paint. You guys, is that not so cute? Oh my gosh. I just looked over when I sat it down. I thought that is perfect because I did think it needed some cherries. And so now it has cherries and all this cute paint stuff. Thank you so much, Dee Dee, for this adorable little charm. All right. Now, I've been looking at Kate Spade. I think their novelty bags are so cute, especially if you want to put them up on a shelf or something like that. They do have really cute charms, cute little pieces of jewelry, really cute shoes. And I've been looking at their dresses lately because one of my subscribers had said she wears a lot of their dresses, and they have really cute clothes too. So I got these two items that I wanted to share with you. I'm excited to wear them. I did see a leather Kate Spade tote that was so pretty, you guys, and I thought, oh, I should get that, but I really, I controlled myself and I didn't because I know I don't really need another tote. That's not to say I'll never get one. Never say never, you guys. Anyway, yeah, I do like them. I do like the leather. Their Kate Spade leather is really nice. Okay, what I got these two belts. I'm going to take this out of the packaging and show you what I got. I got these two bow belts. I got the first, I wanted the white one, and then I thought I might as well get the black one. I thought these would be so cute for the spring and summer. So girly. I got size medium. Look how cute that is. And you guys, they have a pink one. And I'm not going to say that I'm not going to go back and get the pink one because I think I will. But look how cute. This would be so cute with a pair of jeans. And I think this one would be so cute with white pants. Actually, I got these from Nordstrom. I didn't actually get these on the Kate Spade website. Now, there is a Kate Spade outlet, just like Coach. And there's a Kate Spade website. So, same as Coach, you guys. Retail and outlet. But I did pick these up at Nordstrom, and they were about, I think, $56 each. Not bad at all. And I just thought this would be so cute with a little sundress. I mean, it's not going to be cute with what I'm wearing, but so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. And the leather is exceptional quality. I would like to find a really girly style Kate Spade little handle bag, top handle with bows on it. How cute would that be? But I'm just going to keep looking at the website. Something different, you guys. You don't really hear as much about Kate Spade like you do Coach and even Michael Kors. I'm not really a fan of Michael Kors. I think you do hear about it, or I seem to hear more about Michael Kors than Kate Spade, but I thought this was so cute. I'm a size 6 jeans and I got a medium, so if that helps you. But I love these little belts. I couldn't just stop at the white one. I had to get the black. All right, so you'll probably be seeing me doing more Kate Spade unboxing. The leather, like I said earlier, the leather is fabulous, you guys. I'm gonna have to find me a little Kate Spade top handle bag. I know that's in my future. So look, before I let you go, look at that. I love this maple. I love this maple with this pink Coach charm, the bow. Isn't that pretty, you guys? So these are my only 2 Rowan minis, and I think I'm gonna stop there unless they have a pink one. I may get it. But other than that, I don't think I need like a whole huge collection of mini Rowans, but they sure are cute. All right, guys, that's really all I have for you today. If you're interested in this bottle of Hermes, no shipping, nothing like that, I'll handle all that. So if you want this bottle of Hermes Barredo, let me know. What did I say? $135. I've just used, I think I've used it 3 times, to be honest, 3 times. So just let me know. And, or you can offer me a reasonable offer and I'll probably accept it, because I just can't really wear this anymore around Keith because he can't handle it. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Hope you have a fabulous week and I'll be back in a couple of days. Peace.